At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a wax business can be an exciting venture, whether you're interested in making candles, wax melts, or other wax-based products. Here's a general outline to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Research the market demand for wax products in your area or target market. Look at trends, competitors, and potential customers. Define your niche. Decide what type of wax products you want to focus on, candles, wax melts, etc., and any unique selling points you can offer. 2. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, marketing strategies, budget, and financial projections. Determine your startup costs, including equipment, supplies, and marketing expenses. 3. Legal considerations. Register your business name and structure your business, e.g., sole proprietorship, LLC, corporation. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses required in your area for manufacturing and selling wax products. Consider liability insurance to protect your business. 4. Secure suppliers. Source high-quality wax and other materials needed for your products. Research suppliers and negotiate favorable terms. Ensure that your suppliers can provide consistent quality and timely delivery. 5. Set up your workspace. Designate a workspace for manufacturing your wax products. Make sure it's clean, well-ventilated, and equipped with necessary tools and equipment. Invest in safety equipment like gloves, goggles, and fire extinguishers, especially if you'll be working with hot wax. 6. Develop your product line. Experiment with different wax blends, fragrances, and colors to create unique products. Test your products for quality, burn time, scent throw, and aesthetic appeal. Consider packaging options that are both attractive and functional. 7. Marketing and branding. Create a brand identity that reflects the personality of your business and appeals to your target market. Build a professional website and establish a presence on social media platforms where you can showcase your products and engage with customers. Consider attending craft fairs, markets, or trade shows to reach a wider audience. Offer promotions, discounts, or loyalty programs to attract and retain customers. 8. Sales and distribution. Determine your sales channels, whether it's through your website, online marketplaces, retail stores, or wholesale distribution. Develop relationships with retailers or wholesalers if you plan to sell your products through third-party channels. Provide excellent customer service and solicit feedback to continuously improve your products and grow your business. 9. Scale and adapt. Monitor your sales and adjust your strategies accordingly. Consider expanding your product line or exploring new markets as your business grows. Stay informed about industry trends, customer preferences, and regulatory changes that may affect your business. Continuously innovate and adapt to stay competitive in the market. Starting a wax business requires dedication, creativity, and attention to detail, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.